I honestly look so much more cleaner now, but I got back home because I wanted to take a shower and I have to go back and help, like, pack up everything because so many people turned up. I'm pretty sure there's so much of mess, so I'm just going to go back. I'm going to quickly dry my hair and then just walk out. Like, almost everything came off, but I think there's some like red stains here and there and like in some other parts of my body which are not that visible. So I mean, it's fine. Let me just dry my hair and go quickly. Hello, hi. I am officially forgetting to record today. I don't know for what reason. I wanted to film like a morning routine, an evening routine, something of that sort, but I could not pull myself to do it this week. But I guess I will do it some other time. Random things that I'm just trying to get my life set in order. That's about it for this week. Anyways, one big thing that happened this week is that I got a new monitor, and that's actually kind of giving the background effects and the background light. See my new monitor. I need the brightness. Come back. Yeah, but I've been wanting to get a monitor for just a couple of months, ever since I'm using it in my office. Earlier, I think in like Jan and Feb, so I just found out that a monitor is what I needed because the laptop screen is too small sometimes, and I'm like, when I'm doing assignments, I just need a bigger screen. Just need a bigger screen on the whole. Basically, just going to finish up all the work that I've been procrastinating for the entire week. I have some work that I have to for my summer research. I'm like them out a little bit even after I'm done with. Then I'll have to look into my assignments, start some assignment work or the other, because I have like 3 deadlines on 28th of March. So yeah, let's just start with our mundane works, monotonous routine works without procrastinating.
His last boyfriend was Jew, and you're afraid you...
I was planning to make samosa chana today because the holi there was lots of leftover samosa. So I got like a bunch of them and I was planning to make like samosa chana today. I already went like twice today to get groceries because after I made a list, now I'm about to cook and then I remember there's no lime. So we are going to the grocery store to get a lime. Ground floor. Honestly, thank God this tastes good because I was so scared that this was gonna turn out bad. But actually, it's really, really yum.
What they say. You fellas look like a drummer.
Guitar doesn't fit anymore, so I thought.
I actually have no idea how this is going to taste, but let's see. Okay. I did not expect it to taste like that. It is so good. So good. Oh my god. Go try this out. Immediately, you will thank me later. This is so good.
They're maternity pants.
If you think it's third semester and I've got it all sorted out, you are absolutely wrong because I haven't gotten sorted out. Every time I think I'm used to this system and I can like crack it, something or the other comes up that leaves me confused. And yesterday was one such day. I was so overwhelmed with the amount of work that I had that my brain just froze and I could not convince it whatsoever. So I just stopped working and then I just rested. I just rested my brain as much as I could. So this morning, I first did not do anything. I made my breakfast. I made my cute little matcha, which I'm still drinking, which is very, very yummy. I decided to just break down each of the assessments and just look at it to see how much work that I have. And now I've like prioritized like which I need to start right now that I absolutely haven't started at all, which is more weightage, which is less weightage. So surprisingly this time, like last semester and the previous semester, all my first assessments were just like 10 to 15%. But this time we have 30% assignment and just 10% assignment, so that means I have to put in the effort and I just can't take it like very easily just because it's got a higher weightage, right? So let me just show you how I break down my assignments. So first of all, I have it in this Stickies app. It's like an inbuilt thing for iPhone. And then I just put all the course headings, percentage of how much it is, simultaneously read through what were the assignments. And over here, like it's a presentation I need to record. So here is a report with the amount of words that I need to put and the deadlines for each of it, stage I am in. So now I have like broken it into parts like this. Overall, when I look at this, I'm a little bit relieved because I know where to start, what I need to progress on. There are some things in this that I've completed, so I will put like a small tick next to it. I know where my progress is, and things that I need to start immediately, I'll probably work on them today. And the ones that I can like wait until like next week or maybe the next weekend, I'm not going to rush about it, think about it at all, and we'll see how that goes.